2017 Moto Guzzi MGX-21 Flying Fortress. An endless crackling of unmuffled pipes fills the air, and the bitter stench of abused clutches is unmistakable. If it's early August in the Black Hills of South Dakota, then this must be Sturgis, and the onslaught of tens of thousands of baggers into this most American of bike rallies. This year, there's a new player vying for a place in that V-twin biased motorcycle segment. Moto Guzzi is officially appearing for the first time at the 76th Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. And the Italians have come to the party with a secret weapon, the new MGX-21 Flying Fortress bagger. Crashing the seemingly monolithic North American cruiser market can seem like a Sisyphean task to outsiders, but Guzzi made significant inroads with its excellent California series, introduced in 2013. Then, at the 2014 EICMA show, Moto Guzzi rolled out a real eye-catcher, the concept MGX-21. It was big, black and ostentatious, and people loved it, but nobody, including Moto Guzzi designers, thought it would ever see the light of a production line. 2 years and many focus groups later, the new for 2017 Flying Fortress is alive and well and in production, and in dealers now. The Moto Guzzi MGX-21 is powered by the same 90-degree transverse-mounted engine seen in the California 1400, with 104mm bore and 81.2mm stroke, keeping the 90-degree V-twins displacement at 1,380 cc. Guzzi claims 95 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute and 89 pounds-to-foot of torque at 3,000 revolutions per minute, tamed by a throttle-by-wire system with 3 modes, as well as switchable traction control, ABS and electronic cruise control. The cylinder heads jut out from the sides, while the crankshaft runs lengthwise, so you still get that familiar crankshaft rotation rocking the chassis at stops, with the bike leaning right as you throttle up, and the powerful pulses of the 2 big pistons reminding you they're lurking just up front. You'll also find Guzzi's unique elastokinematic engine mounting system, the better to quell the MGX-21's requisite vibrations when on the throttle. The new blacked-out exhaust system is slightly different, with longer silencers to meet tighter new EU4 standards, yet it still puts out an impressive bark. Surprisingly, the production model otherwise stays fairly true to the concept, with extensive carbon fiber bits mostly in the form of covers on the saddlebags and tank panels, front fender and case covers. Designers elected to ditch the solid disc front wheel and flesh out the previously enclosed rear section, which morphed into something more practical, saddlebags. True, they're super stylish, rigid saddlebags, but they provide 58 liters of functional cargo space nonetheless. They're also removable, if you like. The MGX-21 also gained a 50-watt AM/FM audio system with smartphone/USB/SD inputs, because, say Guzzi reps, that's what many consumers around the country expressed great interest in. To hear Chief Designer Miguel Galaxy tell it, the MGX was always meant to be the first of the bikes in the California series. When we were thinking of the California platform, it was always supposed to be many different bikes. The California was a traditional style and design. With the MGX, it really let us try something new and different. Just how different? Well, the overall silhouette of the MGX doesn't look even remotely familiar, with its sleek sculpted lines, high in front, low in back, and carbon fiber components. Even the alloy front wheel is covered with lenticular carbon covers. Out front is a distinctive batwing style fairing with a short screen that bears absolutely no resemblance to a street glide. There's also a visually slick headlight cluster using bright LED daytime running light technology.